When you use Google Maps in a CHOICO game, you can show live traffic data by clicking the Show Live Traffic option. You can use this information in your game. Go to Edit mode and add a new field in your game by clicking on the plus icon on the rigged top of the data table window. Click on the white box under the name of the field and then on the settings icon. Set the field type to travel time. Choose whether the value of the field will increase or decrease by the selection of each choice. Then choose the point from which the time will be counted. Every point in the database has a number. Select the point with the according number. For example, here we want the game to calculate the time to the fast food from home. Set the initial value of the field. Switch to play mode and select a point. In this game, you can see that the field time takes the value of the time needed to get to the place that the point represents, from the point home.